Learn to craft a beautiful mini floral daisy charms chain necklace with a lobster clasp and adjustable extension chain. You'll need 2.4mm jewelry cable link chain for the base of the necklace, providing strength and flexibility for the design. You'll need a dozen 4mm jump rings to attach the charms and lobster clasp securely to the necklace chain. The extension chain should be thicker than the necklace chain to allow for adjustable, secure fastening. Now, let's get started crafting this charming spring-summer necklace, perfect for adding a playful floral touch to your accessories. Start by measuring your desired necklace length. The standard length is usually 16 to 18 inches for a choker, or 18 to 20 inches for a regular necklace. For this project, cut a 16-inch length of chain. Use flat pliers to carefully twist and separate the link in the chain, creating the desired length for your necklace. For clear vision, lay out your chain, jump rings, floral daisy charms, extension chain, and lobster clasp in front of you. Open the jump ring, insert it into the charm loop, then attach the charm to the necklace chain securely. For easy assembly, start by placing the charm in the middle of the chain necklace, then attach additional charms evenly. Open another jump ring, insert it into the charm loop, and attach it securely to the chain for seamless connection. For a balanced look, don't attach the charm too close together, allowing space for a more flowing and elegant design. Repeat the same process of attaching the charms, ensuring each one is evenly spaced along the chain for a cohesive look. Continue attaching the charms, spacing them evenly along the chain, until you've added all the desired floral daisy accents. Add as many charms as you want, ensuring they are evenly distributed along the chain for a balanced, playful design. Please check below for the purchase of floral daisy charms, available in various colors and materials for your necklace project. Make sure to use small jump rings that fit securely into the small daisy charm loops for a neat attachment. For the final stage, open a jump ring, attach it to the end of the chain necklace, add the lobster clasp, and close the jump ring tightly to secure everything in place. On the other side of the necklace, open another jump ring, insert it into the end of the chain, attach the extension chain, and close the jump ring securely. Your beautiful daisy charm necklace is now ready, complete with a lobster clasp and adjustable extension chain for a perfect fit. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative jewelry tutorials. See you next time.